We're just walking around Mestia, and everything here feels so peaceful. The cows, dogs, and pigs are just outside, living freely, and they are not aggressive at all. Yana, what can you say about Mestia?
Very cold.
That's
I'm
all you can say?
to death.
Mestia is stunning.
Right.
Look.
You said terrace tower, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're
I
going.
thought it's gonna be up for sure,
I
but no.
hope.
But it's not.
It's simple life, fresh air, and pure nature.
I forget it.
This is the kind of place that makes you slow down and just enjoy the moment.
Ay, may sinabi.